Have you ever wondered how your favorite apps update with new features constantly, but never seem to go offline for maintenance? To understand how that works, we have to look back at how engineers used to release software. Developers would literally drag and drop code files onto live servers by hand. This was incredibly slow and terribly fragile. A single dropped file or typo could crash the entire application in an instant. Relying on people to move live code is risky. It creates a bottleneck that makes it impossible for an app to grow or respond to users quickly. Modern software companies realized they had to move the release process away from human hands and into a system that runs on its own. The solution they built is something called the CI/CD pipeline. Instead of abstract code, think of a CI/CD pipeline as a digital factory assembly line built specifically for software. As seen in the green cloud here, this automated factory lets tech companies deliver reliable updates at much higher speeds. That assembly line springs to life the exact millisecond a developer finishes writing an update and hits commit to send their work to a central hub. This graphic highlights the shift in how these lines are built. Instead of a human clicking buttons in a web interface, modern teams write the factory's instructions directly into a text file, treating the pipeline itself like a piece of software. This chart outlines the tools that power these factories. Older setups might use heavy, self-hosted engines like Jenkins, while many modern teams prefer cloud-based tools like GitHub Actions. By writing the pipeline instructions as code, the factory becomes a consistent machine. It follows the same steps every time, so it never forgets a detail or skips a check. Once the code is built, automated tests take over. They click every button and verify every database to ensure the new update doesn't break any of the features you already use. This diagram shows what happens to code that passes those tests. It is immediately packaged into a digital shipping crate called a Docker container. This container is a perfect sealed environment. It guarantees the code will behave exactly the same way on any computer in the world, from a developer's laptop to a massive data center. But shipping a sealed container presents a security challenge. The app needs passwords to connect to its databases, but leaving those passwords written inside the code is a major safety risk. This graphic shows the core rule of modern security. Instead of hard-coding passwords, the pipeline uses secrets managers to securely inject the required credentials at the very last second. Automating this packaging and security process prevents common human mistakes and ends the old "well, it worked on my machine" excuse. At this point, the fully tested and secured shipping crate is finally ready to be delivered to live users. This diagram illustrates how the rollout works. Instead of a risky all-at-once drop, a system called Kubernetes acts as a traffic cop, deploying the update using a canary strategy. In a canary release, the update goes to just 5% of users first. The system slowly ramps that up to 20% and beyond, while carefully watching for any errors or slowdowns. This chart shows the ultimate safety net. If the monitoring system detects a spike in errors during that first 5%, the pipeline automatically triggers a rollback, instantly reverting to the previous version. Because the system can detect its own failures and revert automatically, software teams can release updates at any hour of the day with total confidence. This summarizes the whole journey, from the developer's first commit, through the building, testing, secure packaging, and safe delivery of the code. This invisible digital factory works in the background of the apps you use every day, ensuring that every new line of code is tested, secured, and safely delivered to your screen.